Hello and welcome to Visio for Engineers session. At this session we're going to discuss how to use Visio if you are developer engineer or software engineer. So let's get started. First, we have to choose template for our diagram. On a file, floor plans, you can see lots of templates for floor plans. I'm gonna choose floor plan. Set measurements, and here we go. On the left hand side you can see shapes pane, and you can see different stencils organized by categories. And first I want to do is to set a drawing scale. And I choose a design, set a drawing scale, and I can change it to 1:20 or back to 150 or set a custom scale, because engineering is all about drawing scales. Let me choose 1:50. But first, I want to show you how it works. I set 1:20, I change it to 1:50, and look at this. Our drawing scale has changed, so our figures became smaller. So let's work. So we're gonna create a shell. And it's gonna be our first element. I'm gonna set a size and start to add some walls. So let me add some walls. First wall, I drag it to my shell. Here we go. I need to glue it to geometry, and I'm gonna set a size. Next, I wanna copy this wall. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, so I can copy this wall and drag it to another side of shell. So let me add another wall. Set the position and size. So here we go. Copy this wall, drag it to another side, and then another wall. And the last one. That's it. So we need to navigate. So let's add some doors. I add first door. I choose another one. That's it. Two more. And one more. Let's change our door to open inside, not outside. So let's add other facilities like windows. I'm gonna add a window, and I can make it bigger, stretch it a little bit. Let me do it bigger. All right. So I can set another window and search it as well. And window here. Add another window here and here. Let me add other windows. So here we go. I'll go ahead and add other windows. That's it. That's enough. So we add some windows, and let me add really important thing. It's a front door. Here we go. And one more piece will be the restroom. So let's add restroom near the front door. So here we go. Another wall. Looks like this. Add door to navigate. That's it. And now we need to add elements to build our restroom. So I choose more stencil. I find bath and kitchen plan. And I'm gonna find toilet. So I drag it to my restroom. And here we go. We have our toilet. So let's add a sink. I drag it to my restroom. Now I need to rotate. So let me zoom it really quickly. Alright. And I'm gonna stick it to the wall. To close. Alright. That's it. And let me add some signs that it's toilet. Like no smoking, and or that's no smoking, or just it's toilet sign. That's it. So we've done with restroom. So let's add other elements like furniture. So I'll go ahead and add more shapes. Let me click it here. More shapes. And I'm gonna find office furniture, office equipment. I think that's enough. So I'm gonna add some furniture. Let it be a table for a receptionist. Let me rotate it. So here we go. Let me add some chairs for our employees. So this will be enough. And that's it. So let's go and add some furniture to other rooms. I'm gonna add sofa. Another one. That's it. Let me add another table. Like just one just office table. This will be enough. Let it be somewhere here, and let me add a chair. Okay, and that's it. So we add some furniture, and let's add some office equipment like computers, printers, and stuff like that. So let me add fax machine on the receptionist deck. That's it. All right, and laptop. I'm gonna rotate. That's it. So we can add more shapes like PC or printing device or something like that. Let me add PC on this desk. Alright, it's gonna be on the left, and let me add monitor. You can see it. Alright. What about mouse and keyboard? It's mouse and keyboard. Here's keyboard. I think I should rotate. And let me zoom it. I'm not sure that it's normal. Or I think it should look like this. Alright. We did a lot. But what if we wanna print it out? I don't know sizes of my room. So let's go and fix it and add some dimensions. Dimension is how we can see our sizes. So let me set vertical dimension. Alright. And alright. Let me zoom it. And you're gonna find that we have a measurement for our size, for our vertical size. As you can see. So let me add my horizontal dimension. Alright, this angle. Okay. So that's it. We set our dimensions. And the last but not least, it's labels. Let me add some text boxes to show what this room all about. Main room. Alright. Another text label. Office. I can copy it if I want. And let me change my fonts. Make it bigger. Alright. Let me copy and paste. One more time. And the last, my office. And let me change font for main room. That's it. So that's it. And last but not least, we have to set an title. So let me add new title and let me give it a name. It's gonna be room on the 5th floor. That's it. So I zoom it out, and here we go. We have our floor plan. I can save it if I want and choose another one. It's gonna be wireframe. So I choose software, looking for software templates, and I can find here wireframe diagram. I choose metric units. And what is wireframe diagram? It's for software engineers. So let me emulate window of some system like up dialog. I'm gonna call it up dialog form. And I'm gonna add some controls. It's gonna be, I can choose any that I want. I have them a lot. So let it be first print. I'm gonna drag print somewhere here. Let's add another control. Buttons. 2 buttons here. And add some more controls like text boxes. So let me add it to my form. Field 1. I'm gonna stretch it a little bit. Copy another one. Let me add another one. Make it smaller. Another one. One more. So that's it. So let me add a drop down button. Let me add it here. Glue it. Make it bigger. Alright. Here we go. And add some radio buttons. Okay. And radio button here. Okay. That's it. So next, let me name it. So it's gonna be company, it's gonna be address, this is resident or not, it's gonna be male and female here. Alright, but let me change drop down to checkbox. I think it's gonna be better. Let me do one more thing. I'm gonna uncheck one of my controls. I'm gonna give it a click and uncheck it show selected. So let me add more controls. I'm gonna add text field, give it a name. It's gonna be customer name. And let me add drop down here. I'm gonna drag it. Okay. And let me add list box to show countries of this customer. So I'm gonna add list box. Find here. Let me place it in here, and let me align other lines, other controls. Okay, so let me name it country, and add some countries like UK or Brazil, and Poland. And that's it. And one of the last pieces is gonna be picture. So let me add just a label.
resize it a little bit. Give it a name. Like no photo. Let me add more shapes. It's like let's find an arrow to the next page. Common icons, and we're gonna drag forward. Let's be somewhere here. And let's add a shopping cart. And give it a name. It's gonna be purchase history. That's it. And the last piece, let me add a border for my label here. I'm gonna choose solid line. It's gonna be black. And that's it. Let me add question icon. And give it a name like need help. So I'm gonna choose label. And type it need help. Let's make it bigger. So that's it. And let me add the last element. Last element will be a tree control. So I find the tree control, drag it here, and name it family information. Family information. Here will be spouses. Here children. So let me increase here. That's it. We created a wireframe diagram. Alright. I hope it has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching our session.